How to change currency on Steam. Hello everybody, in order to do so you may follow up these simple steps. So open up Steam application on your computer and you should be finding this. And once you find this, you can go ahead and locate up your profile from the interface at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, go to account details, open it up. And then once you open it up, here you should be finding store and purchase history. So we have this balance type right here with currency. So if you want to change your currency, or you also need to change your country. So go ahead and click on update store country. And then after clicking on it, you can go ahead and click on contact Steam support option on this update store and wallet country. Once you head over to this page, you should be finding different options. You may scroll down from following and we should be finding option of contact Steam support. Click on it and you can select up your country or residence from this section. Drop this option down and then go ahead and click on your country that you would like to select. After that, in this section, you need to supply up the details about your request. For example, I would like to change my currency and click on send from here, and then it will review your request and change your currency on Steam. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.